Good morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School, Class 6th, Subject English, Topic An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Meanings. Listen carefully, students. I'll read the meanings. Astronaut, a person who trained in spacecraft. Glitter, light, space. Crew, band. Journalist, a person who write a newspaper or magazine. Frontiers, a line or border separate of two countries. Okay, student. Next, move on to the introduction part. Okay, student, before going to introduction part, I'll ask few questions. Students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, she is Kalpana Chawla. Who is she? Yes, Kalpana Chawla is the first Indian American woman astronaut and Indian woman in space. Yes, she is the first Indian woman in space. Yes, Kalpana Chawla. Next. Okay, students. Who was Kalpana Chawla? Yes, Chawla was the first Indian American astronaut and first Indian woman in space. She was born on March 17, 1962 in Karnal, India. She died on February 1, 2003 along with 6 other astronauts. Yes, Kalpana Chawla was the first Indian American astronaut and also first Indian woman in space. And she was dead on February 1, 2003. Okay, student, listen carefully. Let's see in introduction part. Kalpana Chawla, the first woman astronaut, was bold enough to make her career in astronautics. She was a source of inspiration to her friends and colleagues. She is a role model for many Indian women. This is an imaginary interview counted in her own school. And Kalpana Chawla did a near a billion Indians proud when she embarked on her first space mission on November 1997. Okay, student, let's move on to the lesson, and the topic is an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Let's move on to the lesson. Okay, students, listen carefully. Students, and she is a Kalpana Chawla and she is astronaut. Students, what is mean by astronaut? Yes, astronaut means a person who trying to travel in a spacecraft. Yes, astronaut into a person who is trying to travel in spacecraft. This is called as astronaut. And the spacecraft or space shuttle means a vehicle used for traveling in outer space. This is called spacecraft. Students, what is mean by space shuttle? Yes, space shuttle is a space draft designed to transport people between Earth to space, and it can be used many times. It can be used for many times. Students, tell me what is the difference between aeroplane and space shuttle? Yes, an aeroplane wings are made to fly low speed while space shuttle travel faster. Do you know who was the first Indian travel into a outer space? Yes, you guessed it right. It was Rakesh Sharma who went to space in the year 1984. Yes, he is a Rakesh Sharma. And do you know who was the first woman of Indian again to go to space? Yes, Kalpana Chawla is the answer. Kalpana Chawla, she was an American astronaut of Indian origin to go to the space in the year 1997. The lesson begins with reference earlier life of Kalpana. She was born in Karnal, Haryana. Yes, she was born in Karnal, Haryana. Her lessons to begin here. The lesson began after early life of Kalpana. Then after she graduated from Tagut school, well, she attended at engineering college after a bachelor degree in aeronautical engineering. That is field up engineering concerned with Department of Spacecraft. She went for master degree from United States of America. Yes, yes. After she was a naturalized US citizen, she was married to John Pierre Harrison, who was an American. Based be an astronaut, she was licensed to five single and mighty engine land aeroplanes, single engine seaplanes and gliders. She also certified flight instructor. Yes, she was flight instructor. Then let's move on to the NASA. After qualified as pilot, she applied to NASA Space Shuttle Program. The full form of NASA is National Aeronautical Space and Administration. Over there, she was the first highest research scientist. Later, she was selected for training astronaut. Kalpana's first space shuttle mission is the Space Shuttle Columbia. Lasted for 15 days, 16 hours and 34 minutes. During this time, she went around the earth 252 times, traveling 10.45 million kilometers. The crew means the band including Japans and including astronaut. They performed experiments such as pollinating plants to absorb food growth in space test. For making stronger matters and computer chips, and the day space a tragedy happened and the US space shuttle broken apart in flames. Way of shock belief spread among the people and it became clear and Kalpana had died and the crew also died as a journalist. Introduction of Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla The first Indian woman astronaut was bold enough to make her career in astronautics. She was a source of inspiration to her friends and colleagues, and she is a role model for many young Indian women. This is an imaginary interview conducted in her own school. Kalpana Chawla did nearly a billion Indians proud when she embarked on her first space mission on November 19, 97. Then students, when was Kalpana was born? Yes, she was 1st July 1961 she was born, and the place is Karnal, Haryana. Okay students, next move on to the her childhood. Born in Karnal, Haryana on July 1, 1961, Chawla completed her schooling from the Tagore School in the city in 1976 and later took a degree in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College in 1982. Chawla had a passion for flying and enjoying hinking back, packing and reading. Chawla went on to do her master in aerospace engineering from University of Texas in 1984 and later doctorate of philosophy in aerospace engineering from University of Colorado in 1988. Students, she was born on July 1, 1981. Okay, she was completed schooling Tagore School. She was completed in Tagore School in the city 1976 and later a book degree in aeronautical engineering from Punjab Engineering College. And let's move on to the Kalpana Chawla's career. In 1998, Kalpana Chawla started work for NASA Amis Research Center in area of powered lift and fuel dynamics. In 1993, Kalpana Chawla joined Oversight Methods Insects Los Altos, California as vice president and research scientist too from a team with other researchers specializing in stimulation of moving multiple her first body problems. Her first space mission began on November 1997 as a part of the six astronaut crew. Crew means a band that flew the space shuttle Columbia flight STS-87. In 2000, she was selected for her second flight as part of the crew of STS-107. In Columbia flight is STS-87 and the first as part of crew of STS-107. This is the second part of Kalpana Chawla. Then Kalpana Chawla's space flight experience. STS-87 Columbia November 19 to December 5, 1997. Experiments began designs to study how the weightless environment of space affect various physical processes and on observations of the sun's outer atmosphere layers. Two members of the crew performed an astronaut spacewalk STS-87 made of his 252 orbits of the Earth, traveling 6.5 billions millions in the 376 hours and 34 minutes. STS-107 Columbia, January 16th to February 1, 2003. The 16th day flight was a dedicated science and research mission. Worked 24 hours a day in two alternating shifts. The band successfully conducted approximately 80 experiments. The STS-107 mission ended abruptly on February 1, 2003 when the Space Shuttle Columbia and the crew crashing during entry 16 minutes prior to scheduling and landing. First the ST-87 Columbia, then 80-87 252 orbits the Earth, traveling 6.5 millions. And here some awards of Kalpana Chawla. Congressional Space Medal of Honor, NASA Space Flight Medal, NASA Distinguished Service Medal. These three medals are important for Kalpana Chawla. Next, Kalpana Chawla NASA mission. In November 1996, Kalpana Chawla was assigned as mission specialist and prime robotic arm operator on STS-87. January 1998, she was assigned as crew representative for shuttle and station flight crew equipment and subsequently shuttle served as lead for astronaut offices, crew systems and hospitality section. She flew on STS 87 1997 and STS 107 2003, logging 30 days, 14 hours and 54 minutes in space. In November 1996, Kalpana Chawla was assigned a mission specialist and prime robotic arm operator on STS-87. Next, move on to the Kalpana Chawla death, Columbia Shuttle disaster. Chawla died in the Space Shuttle Columbia disaster, which occurred on February 1, 2003. When the Space Shuttle disintegration over taxes during re-entry into the Earth's atmosphere. With the death of all 7 crew members shortly before it was scheduled to conclude its 28th mission STS-107, and her death was shocked to everyone. And next, move on to the memorial. Kalpana Chawla's memorial. Shortly after her last mission, India renamed its first weather satellite Kalpana's 1 in her honor. She died a hero and role model for many young women, particularly those in hometown of Karnal, where she periodically returned to encourage young girls to follow in her footsteps. The Kalpana Chawla ICU Scholarship was fountain. The Kalpana Chawla Award was instituted by the government of Karnataka in 2004 for young women scientists in Karnal. Here's some short summary of Kalpana Chawla. Um, and the lesson name is an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Summary: US Space Shuttle Columbia carrying Indian born America astronaut Kalpana Chawla was 6 others broke apart in flames on Saturday 1st February 2003, killing all 7 on board. Kalpana Chawla said that never dreamed as a child in Karnal that she would cross the frontiers of space. After a Bachelor of Science degree, the aeronautical engineering, she went for master degree to the United States of America. She was the first Indian American woman astronaut who participated in successful mission in space. He was the first Indian woman to participate successful mission in space. Next, move on to the assignment part. Write the hard words present in this lesson. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Thank you, students.